Hey Joe, having some trouble here running the retouch. I've done the context capture editor, removed the bucket tree, filled in the void, and now I'm adding the importing the retouched file, and just wanted to kind of make a little video to show you what's going on. I've tried this a number of different ways and have tried it um, with a couple of I've retouched it twice just to make sure that nothing's going on that's out of the ordinary, or that's strange. So when I go in here to productions, this is my second retouch, because the first one did the same thing. Whoops. And essentially I'm going into second retouch, finding the retouch file, and then when I import retouches, it's crashing context capture master. It's just yep, it just crashes out. So what's really weird is that I open it back up, and it appears that the touch-up file is there, the retouches, and so I've run these retouches in Context Capture Editor twice just to make sure it wasn't something with the retouch that I did, and it's not. It keeps doing it. When I then go into my reconstruction, damn it, I think I realized what that I deleted some things in trying to redo this. I deleted the retouch uh, production run. Damn it. It was still crashing and doing the same thing. So what I've realized is that if I import retouches, that ain't gonna work. I'm gonna redo it. I just got overzealous and deleted all of my retouches here, thinking I was doing the right thing, looking for the yellow um, dot there, but it never showed up because I think that retouch file isn't coming in like it should. So it's been a real pain in the butt, and I ran everything over the weekend except for the retouches, and honestly thought this thing was due tomorrow until I got in and looked at it about an hour ago, and I've been screwing with it ever since. Um, so we'll see if I can get it to work this next time. All right, Joe. I don't know what's going on with this thing, but I just want to show you that I'm going through the right steps, and this was my production. Everything looks good on it. I just ran the fourth retouch, and this is what it looks like in the DGN file. What the heck is going on? I have no clue. Not had this problem with any of the other three retouches, but I just wanted to do this one so that you can see that I know what I'm doing. So I'm going to go get rid of the artifact of the tower tree. I'm in reality modeling going to delete mesh facet, clicking on the bucket tree. Well, first I'm going to go to the square, and I'm going to highlight my area to remove. Going to click and remove it. Lord of mercy. Then I'm going to go close mesh voids, and I found that I think a 4 is pretty good for this. I'm actually working on a pretty fast computer too. I think I've got like, no, that didn't work. All right, Joe. So selected perimeter less than 10. Got the void there. And then we're going to click close it. Okay, so we got it to highlight yellow. And hopefully it's going to work this time. And fill it in. There we go. All right, so go back and show you what happens with this retouch. All right, so we're going to import that retouch. Retouch 4, data, model, one retouch found. I'm going to try to import it, see if it'll run this time without crashing. Nope. And it crashed again. So, man, I think I've spent as much time as I can pretty well bear on this for tonight and the couple hours I spent on it over the weekend. And I think this is going to have to suffice. Hopefully you understand. I will send the 3SM file for my original production. I will send the this video to show you where I removed the bucket tree, and I will send you the quality report from the original production. And just want to make sure that we don't have, so I'm not getting the yellow icon on any of this stuff. Done it 4 times, rebooted, restarted, check for updates. It's something's up with it. My original reconstruction, my original production looks really good. Everything, looks nice. I don't know what's going on with it. As you probably know, this freaking software is about as quirky as they come. So, all right, man. Thanks a bunch. Appreciate it.